Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. So today I'll be talking about this particular flyer design. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you know that you'll be missing a lot. So if you check my channel, you will see that I've been uploading different videos, dropping their free PSDs. It's very simple and straightforward, as usual, like I always do. Sorry, it's taking a while to load. Yes, now you can see this one is no exception. We'll also be dropping this one too. So let me give you a quick breakdown of how I got this. You can have this background. Let me turn off this image, the image and the text. Let me turn them off. Rectangle and sorry, I'm trying to get these settings right. Yes, the light itself turn on. Okay, now you can see this background. I think I log. Okay, it's on. I can see this is just a background, like a normal background. There's nothing special about it. But what is special is how you use your images, your background, how you blend them well with your image. Your background has to really tell a story on what you are trying to do. Just try and make it make sense and catchy. Let your viewers get hooked on your channel and your stuffs. So it's very simple and very straightforward. So what I did here was to bring in my background, then add my image. What I always tell people in my other videos is that I use different adjustment layers. I use, like, this is a plugin. It's called Topaz Lab. I use the Eclipse. I use the Eclipse for this. It's very simple and straightforward. So now this layer, you can get this adjustment layer on YouTube if you search YouTube, but I would actually create my own video on it, on how you can install it, so you can use it for your images, so you can work with your other designs too. It's very simple and straightforward. So now what I did next was to create this my background here. You can see this background, like you've seen in my other videos. You don't necessarily need to have different sophisticated elements to make your design awesome. Just simple backgrounds and shape can make it awesome. And you can see this particular layer. I use them in almost all my videos to get this particular color. The essence of this is to give that yellowish orange color and blend in well with the image on top. This also is a bouquet, is a fly, is a fire overlay. Yes, fire overlay image. Now this is the background. This is a lighting effect also that as a PNG file. So this is a chain. This is also a chain. Then the elements for the design. You can see the design is already straightforward already. You can see this text here. I got this text. Sorry, I think you can decide. I think I mistakenly uninstalled the font, but the font is, I think it's Montserrat. You can try a Montserrat font or try any font you want to try. So I got in this particular lighting shape on Pinterest. It redirected me to a PSD file, to a PNG file. So you can also work on, you can get different elements. You can decide to add text, gluing text, to make your design look awesome and perfect. Then also I now added my final menu to it to make it more, more realistic. Yes, yes, more realistic. So you can see it's always very simple and straightforward. Please try and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.